Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader. My name is Mr. Singh. NIO, ticker symbol NIO NIO. Well folks, let's go talk about our favorite stock and how we did today, and then we're going to talk about some news coming up. So we opened up, pre-market was actually looking, we gapped up on the pre-market from $44 all the way high of 45, actually came close to our very important support level was sitting at right here. Sorry, the resistance level sitting at 45.70, and market opened up at 45.47. We went high of 45.79. 45.80 actually was the high, and you'll see that we talked about our resistance level time and time got rejected. Right, we got rejected. We were trading below a 200 day, and then we just came all the way down right up here, and all the way to the low for the day was 44.56, and then kind of made back to the recovery back again. Well, we were up for the day was 1.7% for the day. That's 52 cents from the previous close. Right, let's talk about it on the news, and then more technical on the year to date, what we're looking at, and the 6 months time and time. Right, so you guys know I talk about growth. Right, any company that you invest for the long term, right, any investment you do on the long term, you always have to be very careful if this company can pass 3 to 5 years or even more, and the constant growth for the company and even the stock price. Well folks, we are 345 battery swap station for NIO generated revenue. Right, constant generated name revenue for NIO for future growth. Right, remember the target is 500, and we will definitely be done by the November, in the beginning of November. That's is my prediction, but they are based on that at the end of 2021 they'll have 500 battery swap station. Right, I'm excited, I'm pumped up because they are growing at a rapid pace, and it's all signed for future growth. Right, also I know there were some concerns. Right, well, Leo and Xpeng has better delivery than NIO. Folks, we don't have a lot of variety of sedan vehicles in the market. Once we have that, we will definitely gonna I won't say destroy it, but we'll take over on the delivery numbers. Right, NIO's delivery numbers were suppressed by Leo and Xpeng Motors. Template sits the third place in the single month of the deliveries. Check out my previous video. Definitely I talked about more on the delivery numbers on that for all for Xpeng and for NIO. I also cover Xpeng stock also because I am a long-term investor holder for Xpeng also, and I'm going to share quickly how Xpeng is closing the gap delivery numbers and even on the stock price too. It's something they should be concerned about it. I'm not. Both companies are growing at the rapid pace. And there's looking at the stock price, Xpeng is kind of technically doing better than NIO, but NIO is still growing, and where it is right now, I'm happy about it. So the company's total delivery was 7,931, 124% year over year, down 1.9% from the previous month. So far, NIO has delivered up to 49,887 units, exceeding the last year's full deliveries. Right, we are definitely doing producing that. This is the only time. This is worth noting that this is the first time NIO has lost the number one spot in the single month deliveries by their new vehicle manufacturer deliveries began in 2018. I'm not concerned about it. Just watch a month of August and September. September is the month that end of the delivery numbers. We gotta keep an eye. We're gonna be in full functions for Norway, and then Germany and Netherlands, which also gonna be down to the road for the end of 2021. Well, let's talk about the technical analysis. I know some of you guys bummed up seeing the delivery numbers. I'm not. All companies are growing it. NIO is growing at a steady and higher price. They have met the expectation and stuff. So I'm going to change this as our resistance, which was acted as a support. In last time it was acted as a support. Now it's acting as a resistance. and we are testing this very important level at 45.70, right? We discussed on that. We're time and time we're breaking it out, but folks, this is something to note on, right? It's something to note on that our RSI is right here sitting at 51.76. There's a lot of room to go all the way higher, of 55, even higher. Even the MACD, as mentioned, we gotta need this crossover. We have some sort of crossover with the single buys are stepping in time and time when the price drops to below 43, which is phenomenal. I love it. But our moving average, the 200-day pink moving average, sitting at $39.52. The yellow one you'll see right here, that's the 60-day sitting at 43.75, and the $44.24 is the 20-day moving average. Everything is lined up for another breakout, right? We're seeing this pattern. We had this downtrend. We break out on that. So we'll see how far this pattern goes up. And if you see if there's a squeeze coming in anytime soon, right? I can definitely, like I said, I can definitely see we're testing the highs of 47 end of this week, or even coming close to even 47.59. That's the resistance level that I'm talking about. That will be very important testing it, right? Market was opened up pretty high, pretty good, but we kind of pulled back. You'll see that the Nasdaq is all-time high, right? This is the Nasdaq. We are tech sector heavy. We broke out and they came back, tested it, and we are kind of trading in sideways, right? Usually when you have this trading sideways, means is another higher highs expected to happen. And then today you'll see that we have opened up. We have the kind of the roller coaster, and then we had a pullback, which we see on the NIO and other EV and the tech sectors, right? Quickly on XPeng. XPeng is $43.78, folks, which I also covered. So check out on the next videos coming out. But they are gapping up on NIOs on the stock price, right? Something we should be alarmed on. I'm not. I expected this company not to come close to that in NIO, right? Cover that gap where usually was like a $15 gap on the stock price. Sorry, $10 to $15. And now it has gapped up to like a $2 gap on that. So this company is also rock solid. It's something to check out. I always also do the videos on that. So feel free to check out on that. NIO, nothing has lost faith on me. You'll see time and time we come and tested on these two moving averages, like especially that 20-day, and acted as a support. So something to watch out, like if it drops to around a $44 level, the time and time the buyers have stepped in. Even at 43.75, you'll see that when it came a couple of days ago, or actually yesterday came at 43.75, buyers stepped up and pushed up high. And even if it's going to come play back again at 43.75, something to watch out where the buyer steps in and push the price higher. Well, folks, that's all I have. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, turn on the notification if you guys want to be constantly be updated on EV markets, and also some growth and blue collar stocks, even we OTC markets such as HCMC and other stocks too that I covered too. I believe this company has a lot of future, right? There's a lot of growth. There's about 15 to 20% the entire world has on the EV cars, right? There's a lot of demand coming up, right? Environmental free is one of the things that it is pushing in California, actually. So we'll see how far it goes, but I'm excited over this company going highs of definitely on triple digits by the end of next year, moving into 2023, even higher than that. So that's all I have, folks. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, turn on the notifications so you guys can be constantly updated. And good luck on the next couple of days of trading, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.